If you've been following the SQL series, you may have noticed that I've added some customers to the database. Now I want to make a simple query. For example, I want to find the customers in the database from the state of California. And I'll do that in SQL. So close the table, create, query design, close, and lower right-hand corner, SQL view. I want to select the first name, comma, last name, comma, and state. Enter from the customer table, where state is equal to CA. And notice I put the quotes, and also notice the semicolon. Design, run. We have two customers from the state of California, Porky and Elmer. Let's say I wanted to tweak that SQL. Just go in there and type in, let's say I want to find the customers from Florida. Design and run. We have three customers from the state of Florida. So now I want to introduce you to the and like statement in SQL. SQL view, where state equals Florida, and first name, like, J, and asterisk, meaning anything can follow after the J, and quotes. I forgot to put the quotes in front of the J there, and let's run that. Design, run. I get still three customers from the state of Florida because anything after J will follow. So let's tweak this a little bit more, and let's just put JA asterisk, and we should only get two from the state of Florida. JA design, run, and we only get the two because only JA shows up. So I introduce you to a query, a simple query, the and statement, and the like statement.